Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about equation of a circle. Look at the graph, you have a circle that has the center its origin and the radius is r. So how to make up this circle is the many points, so x, y made up the circle. Now to express this circle, we need to find the relationship between x, y, and the radius r. What we use a squared plus b squared equal to c squared to find the relationship between x, y, and r. Now look at the graph. What we can do, we can make a right angle triangle. We know that the distance from here to here is y, and distance from here to here is x. Now we can see that the equation of a circle with the center 0, 0 and the radius r is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Now how about if we change the center? We have the center AB and the radius r. Similarly, we need to find the relationship between of them. So we also make a right angle triangle. What we have the distance, the vertical distance, that is y minus b. And here is x minus a. So we can write the equation of a circle to be x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Also, we have alternative form. We need to multiply out the brackets. So that is x squared minus 2ax plus a squared plus y squared minus 2by plus b squared equals to r squared. And we rewrite that. We have x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus b squared plus a squared minus r squared equals to 0. Now, let f equals to minus a and g equals to minus b. It also shows that the center is minus f minus g. Right? So look at here. So what we have x squared plus y squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus, so be that it's g squared, since minus b squared equals to b squared, so we can write g squared, and plus f squared minus r squared equals to 0. Now let g squared plus, let c equals to f squared plus g squared minus r squared. Implies that r squared equals to f squared plus g squared minus c. So r equals to the square root of f squared plus g squared minus c. So this is another form for the equation of the circle. Well, to find the center and the radius of the circle, it's usually to do the completing the square. For the x and the y terms. Now let's do some exercise. So the question says the line AB is the diameter of the circle, where AB are 4, 3, minus 1 respectively. It asks you to find the equation of the circle. Sorry, I read it wrong over here. And it should be circle. So to find the equation of the circle, what thing we need to know? We need to know the center of the circle and the radius of that. We need to know the center and radius. Since AB is the diameter of the circle and it gives you the coordinates of A and B, so we can find the length of AB. And the half of this length is the radius. So find radius Now we need to know the length of AB. That is the square root of 4 minus 1 square of that plus 3 minus 2 square of that equals to square root of 25 plus 1, that is 26. Then we can halve that to get the radius, that is square root of 26 over 2. So we need to find the center afterwards. As AB is the diameter of the circle, so we can find the center, that is a midpoint of AB. So we need to find that, the midpoint of AB. That is x1 plus x2 over 2, and the y1 plus y2, half of that, equals to, so 4 plus minus 1 over 2 dot y1 is 3 plus 2 over 2 equals to 3 over 2, 5 over 2. So that is the center. Now we get the radius and we get the center, so we can write the equation of the circle. Remember that the equation of circle is x minus a square of that plus y minus b square of that equals to r squared. So we have x minus 3 over 2 squared plus y minus 5 over 2 square of that equals to square root of 26 over 2 and square it. Then we can rearrange that. We have x minus 3 over 2 squared plus y minus 5 over 2 squared equals to, so that is 26 over 4, that is 13, so it's 13 over 2. That is the answer. Now let us see the second question. So for the second one, there is a circle equation that x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 16 equals to 0, and it asks you to write in the form x minus a squared plus y squared equals to r squared, where a and r numbers to be found. So I forgot the what, so r numbers to be found. Which means you need to do the completing the square when you see this kind of equation. Let me change the color of that. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So let's do it. So x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 16 equals to 0. What do we have? We have x squared minus 6x plus y squared minus 16 equals to 0. We have x squared minus 6x plus 3 squared. So minus that, and plus y squared minus 16 equals to 0. When you simplify it, so we have x minus 3, square of that, and the minus 9, take out the bracket, so that is plus y squared minus 9 minus 16 equals to 0. This we have x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals to 25, and 25 equals to 5 squared. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals to 5 squared. Thus we get a equals to 3 and r equals to 5. Now let's move on to see the part B question. It asks you to write down the center and the radius of the circle with this equation. We have done the completing the square of this long expression. That is x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals to 5 squared. Now let us see. We know that for the circle has a center AB and the radius R, we have the equation of circle is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Now compare to what we have done from part A, we can see that A equals to 3 and B equals to 0, R equals to 5, which means we have the center three, 0, and the radius is 5. Now let's move on to see the third question, the last one. So there is a circle has the equation x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y equals to k, where k is a constant. It asks you to find the coordinates of the center of C. To find the center of C, we would like to see the equation of circle in the form x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Thus, we can see the center that is AB. Now what we do, we need to completing the square. So x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 2y equals to k. We have x squared plus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals to k. So that x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 squared minus 1 squared equals to k. Then what we have x plus 2 squared, and take out the minus 2 squared, so minus 4 plus y plus 1 squared, and take off the minus 1 squared, so minus 1 equals to k. We have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals to k plus 5. So we have that the center of this circle is minus 2 minus 1. Be aware of the sign. Here is plus, but the general equation here is minus. So we can also write that x minus minus 2 squared plus y minus minus 1 squared equals to k plus 5. So in here, a equals to minus 2 and b equals to minus 1. So we have the point minus 2 minus 1. Now move on. Part B asks you to state the range of possible values of k. From the part A, what we have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals to k plus 5. Remember that k plus 5 in the equation of circle is r squared, right? Here is r squared. For any number, square of that is always greater and equals to 0. But you need to remember that radius cannot be 0 for any circle, which means r squared greater than 0, but does not equal to 0. So we have k plus 5, so r squared equals to k plus 5 greater than 0. Implies that k greater than minus 5. So that is a range of k. Here is a conclusion for this lesson. You can pause the video at any time to make some notes. Thank you for watching.